So, you want to earn your first $1,000 online and you don't know how to do it. You've seen people earn over $1,000 or their first $500 and you're wondering, can I do that? Is I'm capable of doing that? Is there a program out there that allow me to teach me the steps of how to obtain that? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to the video today. In today's video, we're going to talk about a program, an opportunity of how you can earn your first $1,000 online, because it's all about putting the pieces together. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time to talk about it. $1,000 online, or up to $1,000 online, basically just by following key simple steps. Now, when I first got online, I didn't know what those steps were, and the biggest thing I really learned was I needed to work on myself. I'm sure you've heard that through other videos of other people telling you you need to read the right books, you need to drink the right water, you need to go worry about your health. But there's a program out there that I'm going to go ahead and show you in a few minutes. Not only teach you how to build your business, but also basically teach you how to take care of yourself in terms of your health conscious. Also helps you with mindset, and an unbelievable community that basically helps you and supports you when you first join in. Because I know that you're going program after program, you're not knowing what quite to get out of it, and you're scared, you're nervous, like I don't know. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you something here that not only does it feel like family, it's a community, it's a movement, and it does so many different things. And it teaches you how to build a business online using simple strategies. So let me go ahead and show you right now. And it's called Heal. This is the program I'm talking about. It's called Heal. And it's one of those programs that got relaunched a few months ago. And it's all about helping people succeed. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, experienced, business owner, marketer. It's all about giving back to the people right here. So the Heal, this is what I'm talking about. So Heal, of course, it began way back in 2014. I'm just going to give you a brief history. So when you go ahead and sign up, right below this video, I'm going to go ahead and give you a free timestamp of how you can go ahead and join and watch the video, but you can go ahead and enjoy and see what Heal has to offer. But I'm doing this video to give you the backstory for you can go ahead and check it out yourself. So when you go ahead and sign up with the Heal today, you're going to go ahead and get the story. Now the story started back in 2014, and remember 2018 he started with $1 and a dream. It's this guy and the CEO of the company called, his name is Stephen Munson. Stephen Munson's all about caring about you because he was affiliate just like anyone else out there. And he created this program that has health, building business, law of attraction, and mindset. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So underneath the Heal Content VIP, it breaks down everything I've been saying. So it'll break down the health. It breaks down building a business. It breaks down key components that it's not about just making money online. You will make money online. Results are not typical if you follow the steps here. But here in the VIP Suitcase Coach, it shows you that right there. There's the health, food. You get all this becoming a VIP member. Health, VIP food, fitness, motivation, and they're adding videos all the time. Mindset, they're adding a lot of videos in here because last time I was in here, some of these videos wasn't even in here. And you get all this becoming a VIP member of not only building your business, but building the base of yourself. And so, in personal growth, and also community, which is so important, and of course, other educational features. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this have to do with making money? Well, let me show you some of my results. So I'm going to show you my results here that I've already done so far, and that's $1,883.97 I've made throughout the program by following basic steps. And you wonder what those steps were. Well, let me tell you. First, what I did was watch the Heal story. I watched the Heal story to get a real base what Heal stands for. And Heal stands for health, energy, abundance, and lifestyle. So I want you to go ahead and do is watch the Heal story, and it starts from 2014, where the battle begins, all the way up to 2019, where we currently are. So I want you to watch the Heal story. The next thing I want you to go ahead and do is become a VIP member. Once you become a VIP member, you'll go ahead and start with the training. And the VIP member here, you will click on here when you go ahead and sign up. It says active because I'm already a VIP member, but it'll be this in red. Your status will be in red, inactive. So you want to go ahead and activate that so you can go ahead with the training, and you'll go right here. When you become a VIP member, you go access content, and you go right to those videos where I was just talking about the training of how to build yourself up, building a business, your mindset, your health, and also the law of attraction as a package. Then you have the VIP Facebook group, which is Unbelievable Community Group. I'm going to go ahead and click on there. I'm going to show you exactly what that is as well. And this is how you build your business. Not just making money, but it's community, it's health, it's everything all in one, and you'll still have success along the way. So you'll be access to this Facebook group called the Heal VIP Facebook group. And in here, it's a private group, and you already will be joining over 1,334 people already. Check that out. Over 1,334 people that's already in this group already. So that's pretty powerful. That's very, very powerful. The fact they had that many members in a short amount of time, because it just relaunched about a few months ago, relaunched this product, and now you got over 1,334 people activated in the group. So VIP Suitcase Coach. So you get that becoming a VIP member. Also, it does have other products as well that's going to help build your business and your mindset, called the Big Profile Profits. I really like this course because it teaches you how to build your business using Facebook, your Facebook profile. So Stephen Munson, he actually breaks it down of how to set up your profile, a basic Facebook profile, and make that into a profitable thing. And let me go ahead and show you my Facebook profile in a few minutes. I'm going to show you there. Let me see if it's loading up here. So I'm going to make sure it's loading. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my Facebook profile as well. But I like the Big Profile Profits because it teaches you how to make yourself attractive, right? It's all about attraction marketing, right? Giving value every day to the content, out there to the people. And so that's what Big Profile Profits will do to you. And exactly what it did to me. So I'm going to go to my profile. I wanted to show you that real fast. And this is my profile right here. I teach people how to build a booming online business that creates residual income using the power of video. So I went through the training of the Big Profile Profits, and I feel really good about where my business is headed. And just like I was showing you before, here's my total earnings in a short amount of time, $1,883.97. So you can go ahead and click on that link below this video to get started becoming a Heal VIP. Go ahead and sign up as well. And the next product is we got the I Am 21 Day Challenge. That really helps out you in terms of, basically letting go of the fears, letting go of the pain. So it's a really good training video series that helps you grow as a person. And of course, we have the business class pre-launch. It's just launched actually. It at a great price at $597. That is a price that is going to go up and up. So I advise you go ahead and take a look at that as well. But first, what I want you to go ahead and do is click on the link below this video to become a Heal VIP member. Okay? So let me go ahead and go back to my screen. A Heal VIP member. You saw my results, over $1,000 that I've made through the Heal company, mainly because it's the community, it's the support, it's the training, it's my health. I even feel better. The health is the law of attraction. So I'm reading books, I'm saying affirmations, and I want the same thing for you as well. So click on the link below to go ahead for your road to making your first $1,000 online, because if I can do it, I know you can do it. Click on the link below. My number one recommendation of making money online and growing an online business. All right, click on the link below and I'll see you on the inside.